Gabby, I'm so excited.
Me too.
I hear a milling, and we're in our house. Oh, let's go, let's go. Oh, check this out. MakerSpace in our house. Been milling at work and not come home. Gonna hang out with my daughter and my son. Oh, MakerSpace. Gabby, what are you making over here?
A tree frog.
A tree frog. And what are these? Oh, put it up, like, check it out.
Candy and a butterfly.
So these are from Titans of CNC Academy. Go to the kids section. It'll teach you for free how to actually design these guys. And how to mill. What do we got going on? Look at that, the code going off right there. Oh, let me take a view. Oh, it's so cool. Gabby, we're milling, Gabby.
Yep.
In our house.
Yep.
This is awesome. Look at it. It's amazing, Gabby.
There, Gabby. Just a nice light pass. Just to kiss it. Make the surface finish super nice.
Please subscribe on MakerSpace 77 and we'll show you how to make a heart just like this.
Boom.